Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate DocuSign Connect for signing workflow triggers, detailed guide step by step clearly. To authenticate DocuSign Connect for signing workflow triggers, begin by logging into your DocuSign account. Navigate to the DocuSign admin console. Select the Connect option from the left side menu. Click on the Add Configuration button to create a new configuration. In the configuration settings, provide a name for your Connect configuration. Choose the event notifications that you wish to trigger the workflow. Select the desired delivery method for your notifications. For authentication, find the Authentication section. Choose the appropriate authentication method, typically OAuth or basic authentication. If using OAuth, enter your client ID and client secret. For basic authentication, input your username and password. Scroll down to the Endpoints section. Enter the URL where you want to receive the notifications. If applicable, enable TLS to secure your connections. Review your configuration settings to ensure accuracy. Save your configuration by clicking the Save button at the bottom of the page. Next, test the new configuration to confirm it works as expected. Monitor the endpoint URL to verify that notifications are arriving. Adjust settings as needed based on the results of your test. Your DocuSign Connect configuration is now ready to trigger your signing workflows. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.